The IAA Olive Crown Awards are a very important initiative. Basically, the IAA is trying to drive a sustainable environment, a better future for all of us. And they're basically helping people in communications, A, acknowledge the importance of a sustainable environment, and B, celebrating those who have made efforts to create a more sustainable environment. हम जो इंडस्ट्री को बिलोंग करते हैं वो एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जो कंज्यूमरिज्म को ड्राइव करती है. सो एंड वी ऑल नो दैट कंज्यूमरिज्म leads to various other things. One of the things is being wasteful as people, and also harming the environment. So it's really important that people in the communications industry understand and become fully aware of how imperative it is to have a sustainable future. And this awards were launched in 2011, and every year the communications industry has been making a lot of efforts to change their approach towards work, to waste less, to build more awareness on being eco-friendly. So it's an important evening for all of us.
क्योंकि मैम इतने सारे सेलिब्रिटीज इतना प्रयास करते हैं और इतनी अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करते हैं, लेकिन वो देखा जाता है कि 2-3 दिन वो जागरूकता रहती है, उसके बाद वो लोग भूल जाते हैं.
हमको काम करते रहना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि क्या है, मैं जब बच्चों से पूछती हूँ कि बड़े ऐसे क्यों करते हैं तो बच्चे बोलते हैं क्योंकि हम लेज़ी हैं, बड़े लेज़ी हैं. कभी कभी हो जाते हैं. इट हैज़ टू बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ द वे वी थिंक, और वो सोच में बदलाव लाने में थोड़ा समय लगेगा, क्योंकि बहुत समय बीत गया. जब मैं स्कूल में थी 80s में, तभी एनवायरनमेंट हैज़र्ड्स के अलार्म बेल्स बजना शुरू हो गए थे. हमने तभी सुना था कि जिस तरह से हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और जिस तरह से हम सोच रहे हैं, जिस तरह से हम नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को अफेक्ट कर रहे हैं, उससे हम हमारे ऊपर, हमारे भविष्य के ऊपर बहुत कठिनाइयाँ आएंगी. और ये 80s में हुआ, और over 20 years later, you're still dealing, 30 years later, you're dealing with the same issues. In fact, now they've compounded. So, but the good thing is that I think now governments, the world, has acknowledged how important this is. Until 3 years ago हम सुनते थे कि ये climate change is just hoopla, कोई बना रहा है ये बात को, ये कोई propagate कर रहा है. ये गलत है. हकीकत ये है कि climate change is real. हमारे देश में आज इसी वक्त हम अभी लोग कहते हैं अरे गर्मी इतनी बढ़ गई, जनवरी में गर्मी आ गई, अरे ड्राउट, ये टाइम ऑफ ईयर ड्राउट कैसे हो सकता है, मॉनसून्स कम होती जा रही हैं. तो वी आर फीलिंग द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज, एंड एज एन इमर्जिंग कंट्री, एज एन इमर्जिंग इकोनॉमी, वी हैव टू मेक बेटर चॉइसेस.
आपने 80s की बात की, कोई आपको इंसिडेंट याद आता है अपने बचपन से, जब आपने बिना किसी, आप इतनी मतलब समझदार भी नहीं रही होंगी जब स्कूल डेज छूटी थी, या कुछ आपने ऐसा किया हो जो इन्वायरमेंट के लिए बहुत अच्छा हो, आपने प्लांटिंग की हो, ऐसा कुछ किया हो?
बहुत सारी चीज़ें सिखाई गई थी हमको. एक बहुत प्यारा सा वाक्य है जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी. सेव द टाइगर प्रोजेक्ट शुरू हो गया था, प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर. तो हमारे स्कूल में एक ग्रुप आया था हमें बताने के लिए कि हमारे देश के जो टाइगर पॉपुलेशन है वो बहुत कम होती जा रही है. तो हम बच्चों से कहा गया था कि हम पैसे इकट्ठा करें उस प्रोजेक्ट को कंट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए. तो एक छोटा सा टिन का डब्बा मिला था जिसके ऊपर हम लोगों ने सेव द टाइगर, योर 150 रुपी नोट विल सेव अ टाइगर. तो मेरे जहन में, छोटे से बच्चे के जहन में ये था कि एक्चुअली मेरे 50 रुपये एक पूरे टाइगर को बचाएंगे. एंड it's an old memory, but it's a very important memory because it's a reminder that all of this that we are struggling to achieve even today had started so much earlier. And I feel very proud that we've made so much progress with saving the tiger. अभी हमारी टाइगर्स की संख्या बढ़ रही है, लेकिन हमारे जंगल थोड़े कम हो रहे हैं. तो इट्स ऑल इंटरकनेक्टेड. इट्स द टाइगर, द फॉरेस्ट, द रिवर्स, क्लेanliness, our natural resources, your life, mine, it's all connected.
तो लास्टली वुड लाइक टू नो कि अभी आपके आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या-क्या हैं, क्या कब आपको देख पाएंगे?
I'm just finishing an Indo-Iranian film, which is the first of its kind. I've signed another Hindi film that I will start later in the year, and as a producer, I'm making 4 films.
थैंक यू सो
Thank
मच.
you.
विश यू ऑल
and have proved otherwise. To present the next set of awards, may I please request on stage Mr. Ambi Parmeswaran, Chairman, FCB Ulka and IAA Managing Committee.
About a sustainable future. I think it's been very, very heartening for me to be seated here and watch such wonderful work happening in the advertising world. We live in a paradoxical time where there's almost this permanent state of dichotomy. While we have become a consumerist society and we are all trying to sell something or buy something most of the time, it's hard to make the right choices. And I find that children seem to be finding an amazing balance. So for all the parents who are making a lot of money, who seem to have newer aspirations, newer wants, newer needs, we have some incredible young minds in the country, kids who are a part of a program called Kids for Tigers, and children who interact with some of the programs that we run through Sanctuary Asia or the Wildlife Trust of India. Kids in different schools today who are becoming more and more aware of how we've waged war on our natural resources and how our unending greed has caused havoc in the world. And these young children have learned to say no. And I think that is a wonderful indication of our future. But we have before us a huge responsibility. I know each of us seated here today, this evening, is fully aware of that responsibility, which is why we're even here. But I just want to leave you with a question. I was a kid who grew up in the 80s, and I know that the alarm bells for climate change had started ringing. Project Tiger was established in India at the time. There was a lot of talk about how corporations were depleting our natural resources, and clearly communications failed at some level, because we still struggle as a nation and as a world to make people better informed about the role that nature plays in our lives and how deeply connected we are with our environment. So when we speak about GDP and we speak about economy and we speak about growth, I don't understand why we don't speak enough about our environment. And they're both deeply connected. If we don't have health, I have no idea how we will ever have a healthy economy. India, as we know it today, is a deeply populated nation. A nation that is growing, a nation whose wants and needs and desires are also growing. And there are many, many bellies to fill, but there are also many desires to fulfill. And I just hope that each of us here can play our part in helping people understand how important it is for us to nurture, cherish, and take care of our natural resources, of our water bodies, of our forests, of our wild animals, and ensure that this message reaches out to everybody, because that's the only way we are going to survive and fill those bellies. Because the tragedy about climate change and the consequence of climate change is that the poorest of the poor are always the most affected. And our conscience must never allow that to happen. And congratulations to all the winners. Mudra, are you carrying a truck with you? Because you have a lot of trophies to take back home. Well done, bravo, keep going. I know, as somebody who is constantly trying to produce communication for the various organizations that I represent, how challenging it is to find the revenue to produce this content. And I hope that each of you can use your marketing zeal to make more people put their hands in their pockets and take out money for what really matters. And I think there's been some great innovation where marketing and advertising has been used to propagate a very, very important message, as we've witnessed this evening. Keep going. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for the good work that you're doing. But there's lots more to be done. And you always have us. At least you always have my support. Thank you so much for having me. And congratulations to all of you.
Corporate social investment, an investment in the environment around them, the community they live in, the planet they share. We call this the Corporate Social Crusader Award, and this year we present not one but 2 gold awards to those who have set great examples for the corporate world. May I please request our chief guest, Mrs. Amrita Fadnavis, guest of honor, Dia Mirza, along with our president, Mr. Swami, to please present the first Corporate Social Crusader Award to Yes Community, Clean India Campaign, and Yes Foundation. Yes.